Hello everyone. In our this video we will discuss about and we will determine how a router makes a forwarding decision by default, because in our last video we have discussed about routing table. So in this theoretical video we will discuss about how router will forward route by default. So by default, which process will be used, you have to check. Okay, so in routing table it will use three process. First of all, it will check its longest match, and in second process it will check AD value, and in third process it will check its routing metric. Okay, so I will let you know by an example, because these are the three things. First you need to understand about it, what is longest match, what is AD value, and routing metric. Longest match is like what is the slash value you are using in your routing table. You are using slash 30, 29, 27. It is all about the subnet mask that you have chosen. So highest prefix length it is chosen. For example, a router wants to choose by default route, so it will check highest prefix length. For example, this is the router and it has three routes. So first, if the value of slash 30 is equal, so it will not take decision up to longest match, it will take the decision based on AD value. Now for example, in our this part I am using RIP. By default I am using RIP. So the AD value of RIP is 120. So if the value of AD is remains same, so it will not take the decision based on AD value, it will go to routing metric. Okay, so now in for example I am taking example of RIP. So RIP's metric is hop count. Okay, hop count. Now for example, from this side it will take 3 hop to reach, from this side it will 4 hop, and for this side it will take 5 hop. So the less cost path will be your primary path and another are your secondary path, and these values are changed according to your protocols, because in RIP your AD value is 120. If you change AD value, then you can transfer your route, you can forward your route according to AD. By default it will take hop count metric. If you will choose EIGRP with same AS number, 90 is AD value and K value is the metric, like bandwidth, delay, load, reliability, MTU means maximum transmission unit, so it will check 5K values. And third part is OSPF, open shortest path first. AD value is 110 and cost is your metric. So cost is basically 100 divided by link bandwidth. So the less cost will choose the path. So this is the how router makes their forwarding decisions with the help of AD value, with the help of routing metrics. Thank you so much.